4 Best Free App Builders 2025 No-Code Platforms Review, which tool to use and why. If you've been trying to build a real functioning app without paying a dime, you already know the pain. Most free tools are useless demos. In this video, I'm cutting through the noise to review the 4 best free no-code app builders for 2025, Lovable, Softr, Adalo, and JotForm. I'll show you which one is best for client portals, which is best for prototyping mobile apps, which is best for community, and which is the ultimate data capture tool. Stick around to the end for my final recommendation on where you should start. 1 is Softr, best for client portals and data-driven web apps. If you have data living in Airtable or Google Sheets and you want to turn it into a professional, searchable website or client portal, Softr is unmatched. Softr is specifically designed to make front ends for your existing data. You can find the link to Softr down in the description. The free tier advantage. The free tier is generous, allowing for up to 50 users and full integration with Airtable and Google Sheets. You get access to their beautiful templates for directories, marketplaces, and client dashboards. The focus. Softr's strength is taking complex data and presenting it simply in a web browser. You can build membership sites, internal directories, or curated resource pages very quickly. The trade-off, while it creates powerful web apps, it is not designed to create native mobile apps, the kind you download from an app store. It's purely web-based. Who should use it? Solopreneurs, agencies, or consultants who need a secure, beautiful web interface for clients to access their data or resources. You can find the link to Softr down in the description. Number 2 is Adalo, best for mobile prototyping and beginner apps. When you hear app builder, you often think of the familiar mobile screen. That's where Adalo shines. Adalo is the quintessential drag and drop tool that makes building native mobile apps and simple web apps incredibly intuitive. The free tier advantage. Adalo offers unlimited apps and access to their clean, mobile-optimized design components. It's the easiest platform to quickly link screens and test out basic navigation and workflows. They provide their own simple built-in database. The focus. Prototyping and simple utility apps. If you want to see your idea as a real working app on your phone today, Adalo makes that possible. The trade-off, the free tier limits you to basic Adalo branding and, more importantly, a relatively small limit on database records, meaning it's great for testing but challenging for scaling a public app with thousands of users without upgrading. Who should use it? The absolute beginner or anyone whose primary goal is to create a functional mobile app prototype that looks professional for a pitch or initial testing. The link to start building your app on Adalo is in the description. Number 3 is JotForm, best for data capture and workflow automation. You might know JotForm for their powerful forms, surveys, and data collection, but their app builder is a huge upgrade. It allows you to take any form, combine it with a dashboard, embed links and instructional videos, and turn it into a full downloadable application shell. The free tier advantage? JotForm's free tier is robust, offering 5 forms, 100 monthly submissions, and access to all their conditional logic and payment integrations. Since their primary function is data collection, they offer unmatched power in capturing and processing user inputs. The focus, workflow automation and data collection. Use it for complex job applications, onboarding flows, detailed order forms, or internal inspection checklists. It's an app that facilitates a serious data process. The trade-off, the resulting app is more of a portal housing documents and forms, rather than a dynamic social application. It's task-focused, not community-focused. Who should use it? Anyone who needs to streamline a specific data-heavy business process like HR intake, field reporting, or complex customer surveys. You can find the JotForm link below to explore their robust app builder. 4 is Lovable, best for community and social apps. The last one on our list, Lovable, focuses on a niche that the others mostly ignore. If you want a simple way for users to create profiles, post content, and interact, think a simple social network or a private community space. Lovable is built for that purpose. Check out the Lovable link in the description if you're ready to build a community app. The free tier advantage? Lovable's free tier is great for starting small communities, allowing you to build and host your app with basic features like profiles, commenting, and posting. It focuses on facilitating user-to-user connections. The focus? User-generated content and social interaction. It provides out-of-the-box templates for feeds and profiles, minimizing the work required to set up a basic social loop. The trade-off, Lovable is generally less flexible when it comes to integrating with external databases or creating highly customized business logic compared to tools like Softr. It keeps the focus narrow on community features. Who should use it? Creators, small businesses, or hobbyists looking to build a dedicated, branded space for their followers or members to connect outside of traditional social media. Now that we've reviewed all 4 platforms, let's quickly summarize which tool should be in your arsenal. The choice really comes down to your primary goal. If you're looking to leverage existing data from tools like Airtable and build a searchable client portal or directory, Softr is your clear winner, though it remains purely a web solution. If you need the highest flexibility for a mobile app prototype that truly looks and feels native, the answer is Adalo, but just be aware you'll outgrow that 50-row database limit quickly once you scale. For anyone building a business-critical process that revolves around capturing and processing detailed inputs, JotForm is the unmatched king of workflow and data capture, even if the final result is more of a form portal than a traditional application. Finally, if your dream is to build a simple social platform or member space, Lovable offers the fastest path to profiles, posts, and interaction. My recommendation is simple. If you're building an app around existing data or a client portal, start with Softr. If you're building a consumer mobile app prototype, start with Adalo. If you're building a dedicated member community or social space, start with Lovable. All 3 of these platforms give you the highest quality product on a free plan, so there's no excuse not to start today. Remember, you can check out all 4 tools and their free tiers by clicking the links down in the description right now. Which platform are you going to start with? Let me know if you're building a portal, a community, or a mobile prototype in the comments below.